Oh, good. I broke this.
What?
I broke this part. I'm
Oh,
okay.
okay, yeah.
I was like, what just hit me in the face? A little piece of plastic. Like, oh, great.
That's one thing you'll not want to be careful. This is flimsy plastic. If you get frustrated with it, walk away from it for a second, take a breather. Don't try to start forcing and yanking and pulling.
Just don't pay attention to this edge. I'm being as gentle as I can, but it's still...
Yeah, it'll be all right.
The clips are stronger than the panel.
Mm-hmm. Happens sometimes.
Okay, I gotta push that in. Well.
That?
No, not like that. So we're started yet.
Where you just now started.
Okay. Well, we have new part
Yes?
to replace the part that was broken while we were putting on a new part.
Yes. It is about a week later.
And I was scared I was going to break that taking it off.
Yes. This
Because
piece,
it actually got hung up in the broken part.
yeah, this piece here, it just pulled right off, as y'all
Other
saw
than it got hung
earlier.
up in the broken part. That's why we weren't filming it, because it should have just popped right off, but it got hung up on the end of this thing.
Yeah.
So, as you can guess how I see how I'm dressed, it's cold.
Yeah, old man Winter decided he hated us, and
Hey, this one came off easy this time.
yeah, wonders of a broken part. Of course, we got all brand new snaps and all that stuff with the new part. Which, if you go to a junkyard,
And what's funny is the box that had this part in it
yeah,
had clips, new clips for all three of these parts.
yes.
So,
Yeah, I was going to say, if you go to a junkyard, you can probably get these replacement pieces right here, especially if it's not sticking in right. You might want to just get replacement pieces for this.
get your clips.
Yep, and he just pounded that back in.
I just pushed it in. That's all there was to it.
Yep.
This is supposed to be an easy repair. That one wouldn't come out.
We forgot to do the thing.
What thing? Oh, the sticker. I know.
The sticker.
I couldn't find them, and I got tired of looking. They
Darn.
weren't just sitting somewhere nice, so I was going to have to dig through stuff, so I gave up.
Okay. Oh, well.
There's dog hair underneath it now, so they have that to find if they take this off again.
Yeah. Evidence of Morgan will be everywhere. All right. And one spot we need to get up. I think you can see it. There we go. Like it never happened. $80 later. $20 part, $60 shipping. That's how they get you. We'll ignore the fact that it came from Korea.
And I think there's extra clips in this box too, so.
I wouldn't be surprised. Well, let's dump it and find out. I didn't actually dump it out. I just saw, okay, it's the right part.
Nope.
Guess not. Not this time.
It had another bag in the bottom, and that's what it was last time. Put
Yeah.
that in there.
Alrighty. Well, that's
it for that one.
quite simply that easy. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe.
Yep. And this was taller.
If you didn't enjoy this content,
Share with someone you don't like. Torture them.
yes, after all, why should you suffer alone?
Yep. Till next
All right.
time.
Y'all have a good one.